here on Earth, 5:15 this morning.
Where we're staying.
Mary Kay Kleist has her forecast. You know, Mary Kay, we've been going back and forth over the last week or so saying, would we do it if we had the opportunity? It's kind of hard to decide.
100%. 100%. I'm
She's
so
like,
jealous.
yes.
It's going to be amazing to watch. Yes, it is going to be amazing to watch. But sign me up next time around. I'd be all in for that. Yes, quiet weather, though, there in Texas today. No problems. We have strong winds in the forecast. Our winds this afternoon and this evening are going to gust to 35, almost 40 miles per hour at times. Then a cooler trend coming starting tomorrow into Wednesday. Temperatures will be holding in the upper 40s, lower 50s. And then we're keeping an eye on Friday's storm track. Models are all over the place with this, but there is the chance with all the warming that will take place on Friday that we could see some severe storms. So let's piece together our morning. We have this front that's coming through now. That's going to open the door for these big winds. Now you see the rain near Iowa. That's going to try to move in behind the front, but I think it's going to evaporate before it reaches the ground. So we'll have cloudy skies this morning, maybe a hint of sun later on, but definitely gusty winds. Our shower chance for tonight is actually coming from this trough, this weak front to the north. That's going to be passing through, touching off a shower chance toward tomorrow morning. In the meantime, front number one is going to turn up the winds. See how high they will be coming west-northwesterly behind that boundary. So 36-mile-per-hour winds perhaps in Aurora, winds to 31 in Kankakee. So yes, it will be windy. We are holding at 56. Winds are not that strong right now. They're out of the west at 9 miles per hour. So across the board, we are talking a mild start to the day considering our normal daytime high is 58 and we're already at 57 degrees at Midway. So it kind of gives you an idea of where we're going temperature-wise today. So as you can see, maybe breaking up the overcast later on. Those Iowa showers don't make much progress today. The winds will be with us. Then that system I showed you to the north, that'll move in late tonight. So closer to midnight, very early tomorrow morning, we have chances for a few showers, but they don't last all day. What will last all day tomorrow is the cool change in the air. You can see only the 50s taking shape for your Tuesday. So we'll go with 53 with that morning shower chance tomorrow. Wednesday is bright, a cool 55 degrees, and then as that warming takes shape, I think some of us could touch 80 on Friday. That would just help fuel the storms. The question is the storm track. So Chris Habermel, that's what we're going to keep an eye on here late in the week. See how those models piece it all together. We have a few days to work it.